I'm really starting to think that this shit was meant to be. I dropped out of school just so I could go make some history. Kinda ironic, remember, I ain't have shit to eat. Pay as you go, electricity by the kitchen sink. So I turn them lights off, quick shower, I dry off. Pass up on the weed, the music scene, what I get high off. iPod full of my songs, they play 'em at the party. If there ain't nothing to celebrate, I hate drinking Bacardi. But after a good show, I'm always getting faded. Get a fan or two that made it and get both them bitches naked. Man, I'm saying, regular women come with the baggage, but these groupies fall in love and they ain't never even had it. I'ma stick with that, gift the cat, show me love and get it back. Crew full of WTF shirts, men in black, supporting my city for this lil nigga spitting raps. Working hard, not hardly working, rappers wanna get a track. I gotta tax them, but that just comes with the business. I lost a lot of friendships for current music commitments, but it's paying off. Paying off, saying I make they favorite songs, and if I wanna talk to a label, then I just make a call. I'm taking off, comparisons coming in, I ain't Drake at all. Rappers call me cocky, you got me, but please don't take it wrong. If I was less than the best, I wouldn't invest it all. Now every dollar I make, I put right back in to give to y'all. Kill 'em all is the mentality I'm running with. Please tell me a rapper that's made it that I ain't fucking with. Lyrical pistol, I load it up, then I'm busting quick. Punchlines, uppercut niggas, leave them with bloody lips. This too good to be a one take. For the past 2 months, drop the video every Sunday. They all had 10,000 plays on Monday. That's a big enough buzz to put my plane on the runway. So I'm coming to a city near you soon. Thanks to Jake Owens, AKT Action and YouTube. The I Got Sauce video, my cuz was eating Fruit Loops. Reviews ain't do too well, I guess that mean the truth lose. But who knew? You Google my name and there be 100 pages of things that's unrelated. So really nigga, I ain't made it, but I'm getting closer to my dreams, I can taste it. My next album full of great shit that's gonna make me famous. So I'ma tell you just like I told John. Tell a friend to tell a hoe to tell your wife to tell your mom. Put this on your CD-ROM, Futuristic is the bomb. Download at onlyfuturistic.com. Lose yourself. And I'ma tell you the same thing I told that nigga John. Download at onlyfuturistic.com. WTF gang.